Hi, welcome back to P2M, the Positive Perspective Mindset channel. Today we're covering overcoming procrastination, strategies to increase our productivity. So let's jump in. This is a topic that we all struggle with from time to time, overcoming procrastination. So we're always on the lookout to unlocking the secrets to increase our productivity. Now you might be wondering, why on earth do we procrastinate? And does it have any hidden usefulness? Back in the caveman days, our ancestors were experts at avoiding immediate danger, like running from hungry saber-toothed tigers. That instinct to delay less urgent tasks got passed down to us. So procrastination isn't all bad. It's like a survival tactic from our ancient lineage. But here's the catch. In our modern world of responsibilities and deadlines, it can turn into a sneaky little time thief. Before we unleash the productivity power within, let's talk about why it's essential to approach this challenge with the right mindset. And of course, peeps, positive thinking is a superpower when it comes to overcoming procrastination. Embrace the belief that you can improve and boost your productivity, and you're already halfway there. Equally important is being realistic about your goals. Setting too many tasks in a short time can lead to burnout and disappointment. Rome wasn't built in a day, right? So take baby steps and celebrate every little win along the way. With a positive and realistic mindset, you'll be equipped to slay your procrastination monster and unleash your productivity skills. If you're thinking that procrastination sounds like a productivity killer, well, you're not entirely wrong. So, we're going to jump into 5 fantastic strategies to overcome procrastination and supercharge your productivity, starting with step 1, break it down. When you're faced with a massive task, it's easy to get overwhelmed and, well, put it off. The secret sauce here is to break it down into smaller, manageable chunks. Think of it as assembling a puzzle, one piece at a time. Each small victory will give you the momentum to keep going. So grab your notepad and jot down the steps you need to take. Then dive into it one step at a time. Step 2. Create a procrastination-free zone. Picture this, a zone where productivity flows like a river, where distractions vanish like a magician's rabbit. Yes, you need a procrastination-free zone. Identify those annoying distractions. Maybe it's social media, Netflix, or cute cat videos, and bid them farewell during your productive hours. Create a dedicated space and time where you can focus on the task at hand without any interruptions. Step 3. Set smart goals. We all love our goals, but setting vague and unrealistic goals is like wandering through a maze without a map. Instead, let's make them smart. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. By giving your goals a clear direction and timeline, you'll stay on track and know exactly what you need to accomplish. For more support and details, check out episode 19 on setting smart goals, achieving success step by step. Step 4. Prioritize with the Eisenhower Matrix. The Eisenhower Matrix, a nifty tool, can help you conquer your to-do list like a productivity ninja. Start by dividing your tasks into 4 squares or quadrants. Important and urgent, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. Focus on your tasks in the first quadrants, delegate or schedule the second, and consider eliminating or minimizing the rest. And boom, you're on your way to productivity stardom. And step 5, reward yourself. Nothing boosts motivation like the promise of a well-deserved treat. Set up a reward system for yourself. Finish a challenging task, treat yourself to a sweet snack or a mini dance party. Completing a significant milestone, how about a weekend getaway? Or guilt-free Netflix binge. Rewarding yourself will keep you motivated and make your journey enjoyable. Remember, overcoming procrastination is a journey. Be kind to yourself and celebrate every step forward. Rome may not have been built in a day, but every brick laid contributed to its grandeur. You've got this. One key advice when it comes to overcoming procrastination and boosting your productivity is to be kind to yourself. Acknowledge that setbacks and distractions are a natural part of your journey. Embrace your self compassion and use each challenge as an opportunity to learn and grow. It's okay to be you and not get along with everyone and everything all the time. So celebrate your progress and keep moving forward with a positive and a determined mindset. Try to enjoy your journey into the world of productivity and finding that better version of yourself that you were thriving for. Your continuous growth is related to your mindset, effort, and determination. Remember to conquer your procrastination monster with the positive yet realistic champ that you are. Let's summarize. We are recognizing, accepting, and overcoming procrastination by finding strategies to increase our productivity. The three key points to doing so are: 1. Break tasks into smaller, manageable chunks to avoid feeling overwhelmed and maintain momentum. 2. Create a dedicated procrastination-free zone to eliminate distractions and stay focused on your goals. And 3. Set smart goals, prioritize effectively, and reward yourself for each accomplishment along the path to increased productivity. You've got this. These were some steps and tips on overcoming procrastination, strategies for increased productivity. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share your support. I'm Amanda, your online buddy. Join me next week where we'll be covering navigating imposter syndrome, overcoming self-doubt in your career and life. Ask questions and suggest topics related to your career or personal life in the comments, and we can tackle them together. Remember to keep a positive yet realistic mindset. See you next week!